The U.S. Navy has reached a major milestone in unmanned aerial surveillance with a groundbreaking demonstration of a solar-powered drone capable of flying nonstop for over 3 days. Partnering with Skydweller Aero, the Naval Air Warfare Center Aircraft Division, NOCAD, successfully conducted a 73-hour test flight from its Stennis, Mississippi facility, showcasing the future of long-endurance, fuel-free intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) missions. The Skydweller drone, based on the Solar Impulse 2 prototype, is engineered to operate entirely on solar energy. With a massive 72-meter wingspan and a weight of about 2,500 kilograms, it's fitted with more than 17,000 solar cells generating up to 100 kilowatts of power. Energy is stored in high-capacity lithium-ion batteries to sustain operations overnight, while the aircraft autonomously navigates altitudes between 7,500 and 13,500 meters. Its design allows it to carry around 360 kilograms of mission equipment, such as electro-optical sensors, radar systems, AIS receivers, and communications relays, making it a versatile platform for persistent maritime monitoring. This latest flight demonstrated the aircraft's ability to maintain a self-sufficient energy cycle without human intervention or refueling, even in unstable weather. The achievement marks a significant advancement in creating drones capable of remaining airborne for weeks at a time, a capability highly sought after for naval operations that require wide-area, uninterrupted coverage. The U.S. Navy first began testing the Skydweller platform in 2020 under U.S. Southern Command, SOUTHCOM, focusing on countering illicit trafficking and enhancing maritime domain awareness. Its lightweight composite structure, quadruple redundant flight control systems, and fault-tolerant onboard software make it particularly suited for missions in remote or contested regions where traditional infrastructure support is unavailable. Rear Admiral Todd Evans highlighted the importance of collaboration between the Navy and Skydweller Aero, stressing that this program bridges innovative technology with operational readiness. Additional long-duration test flights are planned in SOUTHCOM's area of operations later this year to further refine the drone's performance and reliability. As global maritime security challenges intensify, solar-powered, ultra-endurance drones like Skydweller are poised to revolutionize aerial surveillance. By drastically reducing reliance on fuel and logistical supply chains, these aircraft promise to deliver continuous ISR capabilities with minimal environmental footprint and unmatched operational persistence.